Okay folks, so in order to set your cutout, what you want to do is push the program button here. The PRO shows up and this green and red light start blinking, and at this time what you want to do is push the snow cone picture button here. Push that once and it shows, and once you've done that, now the temperature is displayed. This temperature is your cutout, and if you want to change that, all you have to do is just go up or down here in order to adjust it. The customer complained earlier that the ice cream was getting too cold and it was hard to scoop, so right now I'm going to set it for minus 10 degrees Celsius. And once you're satisfied with your temperature, what you want to do is push the escape here in order to finalize the temperature. So you push that, and there you go. Now it's all set.